Hey guys, Liam from Blackpool here. Here we have our Ibiza FR. This car is finished in our Desire Red. With this being the FR, this does mean that this car does come with 17-inch dynamic alloys. I'll go into each and every single alloy so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in. And of course, I don't get mistaken whether they are good or bad. Of course, with this being the FR, you do get the midnight black body coloured door mirrors. We have the rear alloy just here. Of course, this car does come with the dual exit on the rear at the bottom of the bumper there. Of course, you can see the FR logo just there. Moving into the boot area, you can see we've got plenty of room in here. Of course, below the boot floor, you can see we have your tyre deflation kit, and of course the seats that fold 60-40 split. Moving around the vehicle again, showing you this rear alloy here. As you can see in the rear of the vehicle, we have the Nora black seats with Isofix just down there. Show you a quick glimpse at them. Of course, we have the electric rear windows, which are automatic. Moving into the front of the vehicle, we have the controls for all four of your windows, your window lock, electric adjustment for the wing mirrors, automatic headlights just there. Of course, moving inside the vehicle, we have your 6-speed manual gearbox. We have your drive select, stop start and central locking. The drive select, you can select from eco, normal, sport or individual. As you can see, you're able to select what you would like to use. Moving to the touchscreen display itself, you can also see that we have your various sources for your radio, various sources for your media, your Bluetooth hands-free, voice control, satellite navigation, full link, vehicle status. You can see this car can achieve 41.4 miles per gallon, if not more. Of course, in these settings, you can change your background lighting between red and white. Now moving over to the multifunction steering wheel, as you can see here, we have the FR logo at the bottom. We have the controls for your onboard computer just there. As you can see, every time I press, it selects what you can see. Obviously, you can change the view of what you would like to see also. We also have the controls for your audio. This is for your volume, as you can see. That's for your voice control, and of course your station select. Your cruise controls and your indicator stuck there. And of course we have your windscreen wiper stuck there. And with this car being on the demo scheme recently, it's only just come back off. You can see this car has only done 2,227 miles. Moving back outside the vehicle, showing you the last remaining alloy. Of course, this car does come with set lighting in the front and rear headlights, which this car massively benefits from. Of course, if you have any more questions or queries about this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch, and one of our sales team provides you with your answers or a personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool SEAT.